with the matcha, this is very, very cool. So 1 spoon of matcha green tea. Now, the great thing about our matcha green tea is that it's completely vegan, it's completely sugar-free, it's high in antioxidants. They say that 1 spoonful of matcha tea is equivalent to 10 cups of green tea. So that's really, really potent. So you're drinking the actual tea leaves of the green tea, which is really, really high in polyphenols, antioxidants, really good for your immune system. And you'll actually be able to see, because ours is ceremonial grade and certified organic, the green color is spectacular. So unlike the food grade matchas that you get out there as well. So gives you a nice, beautiful energy boost. And to make your matcha tea as well, same sort of thing. Just pour in a little bit of hot water. Give it a nice little mix. Now you can sweeten this to taste as well. And then I've got my beautiful dairy-free milk over the top. Yum. And that is exactly how I like to drink my matcha tea. It's warm and creamy and nourishing. And I have that in place of a coffee in the morning, and it gives me a burst of energy and makes me feel fantastic. So this is the matcha. Fantastic.